If you want to connect and transfer files from your Google Pixel 9a right to your laptop, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, grab your cable. It has to be USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB cable. Connect one part of it to the phone and the second corresponding part of it to your laptop. Great. Now let's swipe down from the top right corner. Here we can see charging via device USB. We gotta choose file transfer / Android Auto. Now verify that that's us. Great. And now let's put our phone apart. So now we can open up Files application on our Google, press this PC, and here we can see our Pixel 9a option. Open it up. Here is your storage, so you can grab or put some files into it. For example, as you see, we can find everything we have. We can see it right on our laptop, right? So here is some photo from our gallery. If you want to add up anything, for example, I want to drop some music here. So grab your music, drop it to your phone. And now when we're gonna disconnect our device, let's do this. We can open up our Files application. And here we'll find the file. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.